Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of an effect that's going to look good on some of the pictures in your website. I showed somebody else this yesterday, so I wanted to shoot a video as quick as I can that'll show you how to do this. So here's a restaurant layout that I just loaded in my demo site. You can see it doesn't really do anything. So a lot of you guys have kind of like menu options you want to show and are trying to get some text in it that's going to look good. So this is going to show you how to do that. So I'm in my builder right here. I'm going to come over here to the image and go into these options here. There's three places where you can put text in here. So we'll put test 1 to show you that. The second one is going to be right here, test 2. And the third place is going to be right here. So you can see the module title is going to show up here. Then you got the image title, and then you have the image caption. So if you were to want the text to go somewhere in there, those are the three options that you could choose. But this is going to be if you wanted maybe a title and then a small description, you would do that. So we don't want a caption, and we don't want a title up there because that doesn't look really good either. So we're going to stick with the image title, but we want this to look good. It's small, it's ugly, and we want this to kind of stick out. So the couple things we're going to do here is I'm going to do a full overlay. So it's going to put it right in the middle. And then I'm going to show this caption on the overlay only. So when I scroll over this, you know, we'll have this nice little menu option right there. Now we want to make this look awesome. So this is the image title. So we're going to go into styling and come to our image title stylings over here. We're gonna pick a font and we'll go with the greatest font of all time, Oswald. Probably bold this up a little bit, and let's start with the 50 right there. So I overlay that and I can go a little bit bigger, 75. Let's go one more just because it's a small word. That's gonna look a lot better. And let's see what we got here. So let's just change this to something a little bit more descriptive, as if you were doing this. We'll just call it eggs. Super simple. You can change all of the overlay options over in here with the color. If you wanted a color in there, that's for the text. Let's see. You should have a color for the font, and then there's also going to be a color for the overlay in here somewhere. We just have to look for that, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not ready for that. But we can hit this, we can hit done, we can hit save, and come over here and refresh. And then what we should have is just a little bit better of a kind of a user experience, a little bit more interactive of a website. So super simple trick. You can play with that, make it do a bunch of different things, but I just thought this would look good on a bunch of different websites for you guys. Any questions with anything, send me an email or stop by my office.